Now, punta naman tayo sa stem cell. Ano naman ang magagawa ng stem cell? Well, basically, ang mesenchymal stem cells will offer a promise in treating kidney disease. And it is because of their ability to differentiate. Alam na natin ito, napakita ko na sa inyo before, ano ang nangyayari sa stem cells oras na nag-differentiate, pumupunta, nagiging kidney cells, okay, potentially aiding doon sa kidney repair. And this is basically seen when you have patients who undergo especially IV or stem cell therapy, no, sa ating mga pasyente. Now, bakit? Because mesenchymal stem cells have anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory effects. Okay? Alam na natin ang anti-inflammation, no? Ang immune system, sinabi ko na yan, no? Earlier, pag nag-strengthen ang immune system natin, it is very crucial or critical sa ating mga kidney disease progression. Pagka magandang immune system natin because of our supplements that we take, then ang pag-progress ng kidney disease babagal. Okay? Mas magtatagal ang buhay ng kidneys, ang function ng kidneys. Again, regeneration or the capacity to rebuild itself, no? The damaged kidney tissues may differentiate into renal cells. Sorry. And itong mga other factors na nagsisecrete, factors that would enhance the survival of kidney cells to aid doon sa pag-repair ng kidney functions. Okay. Now, ano pa ibang mga ingredients, active ingredients na elixir placenta that would help, no, sa ating mga may chronic kidney disease? So basically, ito, no? Ito, ang dami nito. These are all helpful. Rhodiola, our grapeseed extracts, these are all anti-inflammatories. Ang olive leaf extract, anti-inflammatory as well. Yeast powder, okay, or NMN, ang ating dextroribose, ang medium chain, fatty acids, yung ating red ginseng are anti-inflammatories as well. Ang rice brown oil, alam naman natin, it reduces our cholesterol and diabetic control, napakaganda. These are risk factors, no, ng ating chronic hypertension, chronic kidney disease, sorry. Fenugreek, no? Again, is good for diabetes. Sabi natin, risk factor ang diabetes. Sea buckthorn oil and black currant oil also for hypertension, no? It controls our blood pressure. Sea buckthorn oil as well, no? So, alam natin pag ang kidneys magang-maga, tinamaan, acute attack, for example, no? Tinamaan because of a viral infection, because of an infection sa balat, because of a reaction, no? Tandaan natin, ang allergic reaction sa gamot, sa pagkain, no? Pag sobra, we call it severe allergy. Pwedeng tamaan ang kidney natin at mag-lockdown, no? Mag-fail. Madadala ka agad for diabetes, comatose ka nun kasi maiipon lahat. If your family does not suspect that nag-lockdown pala ang kidneys mo because of allergy, basta nakita ka lang mapula, okay, and you have loss of consciousness, no? Unconscious kayo, yung pala tinamaan na ang kidneys natin. So magang-magaho ang kidney natin. Maga ang mukha, diabetic I'm sorry, allergic. No, pag may allergy ka, nangangati, no, nagmamanas. The same thing with the kidneys. It is inflamed, maga, manas. Nagmamanas ka dito, pero ang kidneys mo, maga. All of these ingredients are anti-inflammatory. Okay? I mentioned to you. So, napakaganda ng ET. because of that. Ang laking tulong. Okay? So, I think that's enough for today, and I hope I was able to elucidate this particular, very common po ito na problema sa ating mga pasyente. And anyway, thank you for listening, and I'd like to greet all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much for that one, Dr. Francis.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any questions, GFAX believers? Meron pong question dito, Doc, na isa.
Mm.
Masosolve daw po ba yung ng EP without kidney transplant?
No. No, I will tell you no. When you say kasi without kidney transplant, that means the doctor already, the, yung attending doctor niya has already said he needs a kidney transplant. Okay? If I may bring back your attention to sino yon, Ma'am Claymar,
Si Ma'am Jovi. Ma'am
Si Doc
Jovi.
Romy, si Doc
Sorry,
Romy.
si Doc Romy.
Oo. Okay. He is a kidney specialist. He was taking when he was at that time he was taking EP, no, elixir plus. Yet he realized na elixir can do so much. Okay? Your kidneys have been damaged. As I said, this is a long process. Noong pa nasisira na ang kidney mo dahan-dahan. So when the one who's posing the question tells me, Doc, kaya ba kaya ba ni Elixir Placenta palitan si kidney? No. As a matter of fact, ang kidney has already failed. What can Elixir Placenta do? Di ba? Ang sinasabi ko ho, I'll be honest and frank with you, the kidneys filter, okay, is a filtration system of your body. Elixir Placenta does not filter. This is the reason why you have to have dialysis. Okay? Walang makakapalit sa dialysis. Not any medication. Not any stem cell. Okay? We will be fooling each other. Si Elixir Placenta, okay, will come in during the early stage. Early, mid-stage. Okay? Eh, Doc, paano yung mga nagda-dialysis na? Kasi late na sila, so hindi na kailangan ng Elixir Placenta. That's where you are wrong. Again, elixir placenta will be needed here because we need to strengthen their immune system. Bakit ka mo? Look at, as I'm giving you the example kay Doc Romy, di ba? He was having dialysis, but yet, what was he taking? Elixir placenta. Kanina sa intro natin, you heard him saying, no? I have taken. Hindi naman ang nakakamatay sa amin ang aming chronic kidney failure, but pneumonia. Remember, that is a kidney specialist talking. Why? Bakit pneumonia, Doc? Hindi kidney. Because humina ang resistensya mo na. Ang immune system mo. Dito papasok si elixir. See? So if you ask me, can you replace the kidney transplant with elixir? Definitely not. Okay? You want to prolong his kidney functions, elixir, because it will strengthen the immune system. It's an anti-inflammatory, no? That will cause, isipin mo na lang, maga yung mga tubo ng kidney. Paano makakadaan ang waste? Di ba? Maga eh. Pag nagtitake ka ng anti-inflammatory, which elixir placenta is, liliit, magninipis yung mga tubo. Makakadaan ngayon, makakatulong po. So, basically, it comes hand in hand, but it will not be a replacement for filtration. You will need filtration. But, nagpapa-filtration ka nga, nagpapa-dialysis ka, pero after dialysis mo, hinang-hina ka, hindi ka makakain, mas mabilis pabagsak ka pa rin ng pabagsak. While if you're taking elixir, nakita mo, imbis na 3 days ka nanghihina, one day lang. The next day, because you're taking elixir, then one day after, kain ka na uli, hindi ka na ganun kapagod. Di ba? One day or kawalang gana kumain or no loss of appetite, no? It does help in this way. So again, the caveat is, habang maaga, ma-diagnose ka. The earlier you get a diagnosis of a failing or a malfunctioning kidneys, mas mabilis ma-reverse, maging reversible, especially with the help of Elixir Placenta.